So this is the garden applique panel. So what you're going to get is you're going to get your background panel there, and then you also get a piece of lots of lovely appliques that you can add onto the top. Now, to speed things up a little bit, I have cheated and I've actually just printed mine onto here just to show you another idea that I had that actually combined two of your projects together. So this is how I would arrange the panel, and I would applique on this tree here, the flowers, the cat and the dog and the butterfly. And then I thought what would be really, really cute is to add a little piece of string that went tree to tree, and then you could also add in your little mini bunting dresses that are in one of the other projects. So if you added those together, you also get 6 of the little pegs in there as well. So what you can do is go sleeve to sleeve on these. So pin those 2 sleeves onto the bunting there and go all the way along and create yourself a little really super fun washing line, which I think just works really, really well in that garden. You could use them together, you can use them separately. It's all up to you.